This video will cover keyboard commands, which are a type of operator input. Operators can perform these commands by entering instructions directly on the keyboard. Depending on where the keyboard commands will be applied, they can be defined on 3 different locations in a project. You can define them as system keyboard commands in the visualization activity. That way they will be applicable for every graphics page that will be displayed. You can define them as page keyboard commands on the page properties, and they will be applicable for a specific graphics page. Finally, you can define them as object keyboard commands, and then they will be applicable only for a specific object on a graphics page. The order of precedence for the keyboard commands is first, object, second, page, and last, system. For example, if a system command and an object command are configured to use the same key sequence, the object command takes precedence. Whereas in other parts of the project, where there are no objects that use this command on the page, the system command will execute. To access one of the keyboard key combinations in Plant SCADA, a keyboard key needs to be defined first. You can do that by going to the Setup activity and selecting Keyboard Keys. By removing the filter on the project column and selecting All Included Projects, you will be able to view the list of predefined keys. We can add a key with the name My Key and assign it, for example, to the up arrow button on the keyboard. Next, we click the Save button to store the changes.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.